guys stayed for, you want to see the review or tutorial on the Unice hair. And this is the package it comes in. It's like a satin bag. It's cute. It says a natural extension of you on the bag. And just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored. I did not get paid to do this video. I paid out of my own pocket. But hopefully you guys share this video and I get some views, and maybe one day I will get sponsored. So there's like a lot of goodies in the bag. So the first thing is like this. I'm not really sure if it's like a head wrap, but it says Unice on it. I'm thinking it's like a little head wrap. I'm thinking you put it like this. And then it has like a button, so I'm not sure if this like something you do when you get out the shower. I was looking for like a little hole or something, like maybe you wrap it. I don't know. But yeah, well, my hair already messed up anyways. But it comes with that. And then it comes with like this tape, I guess like to tape the wig on in the front. The hair's supposed to be glueless. And then it comes with this little bag. And on the inside, it has a pair of lashes. These look cute. And it has like these little nail arts. I guess you can put these on your nails. And it comes with a tan stocking cap. And then it comes with like the little scarf. It says Unice on it. It's like a silk. So, you know, you can slay your baby hairs or whatever. And then what y'all been waiting for, of course, the wig. And this wig is a 5x5 virgin hair. It's a HD lace closure wig. It is 24 inches and a body wave. The total price I paid for this was $324.14 total. So this is the hair. It's pretty long. This is the natural state. Of course, I'm gonna say straight out the package, but I've already played with it a little bit, but I haven't done anything to the wig. It was like in a net, but I took the net off. So like I said, it's supposed to be glueless, and this is not a full lace. So this is a lace frontal, meaning it comes like from here to here. It doesn't go all the way around. So this is how much closer space you get. So I mean, you can part pretty far. And then it has 2 combs on the sides, and then it has 1 comb in the back, and then it has adjustable straps on both sides. Adjustable straps on both sides. So I'm gonna try the wig on for y'all in its natural state before I do anything to it. Y'all excuse my hair. I need doing all of that. So I said, let me just get something that's already halfway done. But this is the wig on. I'm trying to see if I get any shedding. I don't know why the hair feels so tangled all of a sudden. It seemed like it was really soft when I first opened the package. But I think I need to bleach the knots. See how you see those little dots right there? That's how you know you need to put bleach on it so it won't be so dark. But then again, I do have my hair out and I didn't put the tan cap on. I'm just gonna show y'all the parting space. So you can pretty much part a lot of places. Like if you want to do on the side, you can part the hair on the side. But the hair is already towards the middle because I ordered the middle part. I didn't order the free parts parting. So I think I'm just gonna wear the part in the middle. But I'm just not a fan of like brown hair, so I'm thinking about dyeing it black, jet black. I bought some black dye. And then of course I'm gonna bleach the knots. And then on the sides, like I said, you put the combs, because I'm just not a fan of gluing hair. So you put the combs right there so it stays in place. So, and then you put the comb in the back. So it feels pretty snug. Feels pretty secure. The hair is really soft. I'm trying to see if I get any shedding. I got one strand of hair, so the shedding is not too bad so far. So I can't really give y'all like initial review yet, because like I said, I haven't done anything to the hair. I haven't worn it or anything like that, so I'm not really sure. But the hair comes down pretty long to me. It's like to my waist. Excuse me, y'all, I'm wearing my pajama pants. But yeah, overall the hair feels pretty good. It's gonna be cute once I, you know, do my makeup. Well, y'all already saw, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put the final look in the beginning of my video versus now, so you guys can see what I'm working with. And then I'm probably gonna do some curls to it. So yeah, I'm just running my fingers through to see how the hair does. There's a little bit of shedding. See, there's another strand, but it's just coming out in strands and not like big chunks. So overall, I'm loving the hair. Like I said, you probably can't, like if I wanted to do, like what if I wanted to do, you know how you have like the half up, half down hairdo? That would be cute. But then you would have this part right here. But maybe if I pull like some hair out too. See, that would be cute. A little messy top. I was thinking about doing like 2 blonde pieces in the front, but I don't want to mess the hair up. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is bleach the knots, and then I'm gonna dye the hair jet black, because I just don't like brown hair on me. But it's not really brown, but I just like the hair to be dark. And I was, like I said, I was thinking about doing 2 blonde pieces in the front, but I don't want to mess the hair up, like, because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah. And then I'm probably gonna have to plug the part, because I like to have baby hairs. But yeah, overall I'm loving the hair, honey. So yeah, I'll be right back. Now I'm getting ready to bleach the knots. You need a pair of gloves, a brush, a mixing bowl, and BW2 bleaching powder. And I'm using 40 volume developer. Now you're gonna mix your bleaching powder and your developer into a bowl. Now that we're adding the developer to the bleaching powder, you want to do this in very small paces, because you want it to be a very thick consistency. You don't want it to be runny. guys see how thick it is? This is the perfect consistency. It needs to be a pasty thick consistency, just like that. Now we're going to be placing the bleach on top of the lace. And notice I'm being very gentle as I'm placing the bleach on top of the lace. You don't want to push the bleach on top because that will bleach the hair on the other side, and you don't want that. It'll be blonde. So we're just bleaching the lace. So just make sure you're tapping and not pushing. And now it's time to dye the hair. I'm using Revlon in a color jet black, and I'm going to be using 2 boxes. To wash the hair, I'll be using Dove shampoo and Mizani conditioner. After you rinse the bleach off, this is the color it should be. It give you like a brown color. It came out perfect. You can see how it looks like a scalp. To dye the hair, I'm going to be using the hot water method. So boil hot water over the stove. And then next, pour the water into either a clear container, or in my case, I didn't have that, so I'm gonna use a stainless steel sink. Make sure it's stainless steel. So I just placed the wig into the water, but notice how I still have the lace sitting up so that it doesn't get bleached black. The hair is now bleached black. Oh my god, y'all, this hair is super soft after you wash it. Like, just look how slick the hair is. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna leave the hair and let it air dry overnight. Hey y'all. So it's been about 2 days. So I let the hair dry for about 2 days, and it is so freaking soft. And look how the brush is just like going through the hair. Like, it's super soft. Look at that. All right, now let's get some curls going in this hair. Oh my god, the curls came out so pretty and so bouncy. Oh, I just love it. This hair curls so good. It's done, y'all. This is the finished product. The hair is so soft. It's so pretty. I'm loving it. So you guys, make sure that you guys share this video because I want to be able to get enough views, enough shares. So maybe one day I'll get sponsors for this hair because, honey, this hair is not cheap. So let me show y'all the back. Body, yada, yada, yada. Yes. So yeah, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bells because you never know when I might upload another video. And remember, you are beautiful. Bye, y'all.